Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video you are going to know about how to grow a pomegranate plant from seed. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon after subscribing. Come on, let's move into the topic. First of all, take a plastic glass which has few drainage holes on it. Then place a few cardboard pieces for better drainage of the potting soil. Pomegranate plants grow well in loamy type of soils. The potting mix or the potting soil of the pomegranate plant should contain 30% sand, 30% silt, 30% clay soil and 10% compost for the better growth of the plant. After mixing these, the potting soil will look like this. Then fill the potting mix in the glass. Then take a few pomegranate seeds collected from a fresh pomegranate fruit. Then squeeze the seeds. After squeezing the seeds you will be able to see the white seeds. Then place the seeds into the potting soil and cover the seeds with the same potting soil. After 15 days your plant will be germinated like this. And after 1 month your germinated plant will be like this. After 2 months of germination your plant will be like this. After 4 months of age you will be looking your healthier and bushier plant like this.